Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can give the underline below the chapter name on your Word document. So first of all, let's create a chapter heading, for example, and then let's say I want to create a underline below this chapter name. To do that, click on home here, and then here you will be able to find this arrow key. So just click on this arrow key here and then click on borders and shading, and here select the borders tab at the top, and then you will be able to select any underline from here. So you can see different kind of underlines. Let's say I want to add this first underline, and then you can also select the color of that line. I'm going to leave it as black, but you can also change the color, and also you can change the width of that line. So I'm going to select 3pt here. The most important part here is you need to select this option here, which is underline. Okay, so just click on this option, and this is going to add the underline below the chapter. So also make sure paragraph is selected here, and then click on OK, and you can see the underline is added to your chapter. So this is how you can add the underline below the chapter on your Word document. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.